Hey guys, I'm Dylan and I am the leading strategist here at Jetset Marketing, and today I'm going to be talking about 3 tips for your Google Ads campaign that's going to blow everyone out of the water. Number 1, location. Make sure you have your location set correctly. The last thing you want to do is be getting phone calls from another state that you don't even operate in. You can change this by going into your campaign settings and adjusting where you're targeting so you can target your specific city or state. Number 2 is timing. This is critical. The last thing you want to be doing is getting phone calls when you're not even in the office or when you're not even working. It's a no-brainer. This can be changed in the ad schedule. Make sure you look it up, make sure you find it, and you change those settings correctly. Now, number 3 is probably the most important one that no one will tell you, and it's your quality score. You may see it in the statistics that Google Ads gives you, but what it means is Google is piecing together whether or not the site is relevant to the ad. So you can get around this by adding relevant content to your website that is relevant to your ads based off the keywords and key phrases that you're targeting. They're the 3 tips. Follow them, learn them, do everything you can to get them right, and you will succeed. Thank you very much. Have a great day.